Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Hello guys, this is VNfatBIKER. So we're now doing a tutorial for the Photoshop. Again, this is not the pro mode. This is the basic one. How are you going to quick and easy remove the background of a photo and then use that photo to any editing of your videos or pictures, okay? So using your Photoshop, okay, we will just go to that magnetic lasso menu, and then of course the usual thing is the zoom in zoom out. Okay, that's easy. It is the 2 menu only. Okay, now let's get our subject photo to edit. Okay, that's gorgeous lady. All we need to do is get that model, that sexy lady in bikini, and remove the background. Okay, so using our magnetic lasso. Okay, so you can zoom in, you can zoom out, depending on your comfortability and how easy you will able to edit or cut those pictures. Okay, especially on those edges. Okay. Again, we're just going to use the magnetic lasso. That's the hidden. Okay, that's the hidden menu of the Photoshop that you will going to use. Okay, just once you click the magnetic lasso, start clicking the start point, okay, of the edges of the model or the subject that we're going to crop. Okay, as you can see, while you are doing this, it will create a line, and each line have a dotted square. Okay, just continue it. Okay, just right click on your mouse. Okay, just continue, and then it will easily plot that line or dotted line to the subject of your photo that you're trying to remove the background. Okay, just continue, hold that mouse. Okay, hold that mouse. Okay, it will make a dotted line to the edges of this subject photo of you're trying to remove the background. Okay, it will need a little bit patience. Okay, maybe seconds or minutes, then you'll be able to finish it. Okay, that's easy, that's quick. It is. Okay, again, this is not a pro mode. This is the basic tutorial of Photoshop so that you can easily remove the background of any photo would you like to use and transfer that photo to any background you like. Okay, we're done. Just make sure you connect the last dotted line to the start line. Okay, then if you will see on the left side portion, okay, that one, click it, then you can see it, the background already removed. Now, next step is how are we going to make this effective as a photo that you can transfer. Okay, so you need to make on the layer side, okay, that particular menu. Click that one. Once you click that one, okay, you can now easily move the subject photo. Okay, so you can put it there, put it here, put it everywhere. So we're almost done. We're almost done. Now we need to save this subject or this project. Okay, so that you can use this photo. Okay, save as. If you'll check it, the file name still on the Photoshop extension file. We need a file that you can transfer to another photo or a background. Okay, we need to have something of transparent. Okay, so transparent. So you will use the PNG extension file. Click that PNG extension file. Okay. After clicking it, you can rename your subject photo. Anything like mine, I put it bikini.png. Okay, then save it. Okay. Then it's done. It's already saved in my desktop. Let's check it how it look like. Okay, check the actual file. Then there you go. No more background. And then how are we going to verify if it's really transparent? Click it again. Then there you go. Transparent. That's the PNG file.